Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself look taller using the skew feature in Snapseed. So in here, I've already opened the Snapseed app, and you can start by clicking on this plus icon to open a photo. So I'm going to use this photo for example, and if you want to make yourself taller, you can just go to tools and then go to perspective, this one, and here to make yourself taller you can just swipe the photo to the top like this. Okay, you can see now the person will look a little bit taller like this, and you can also just adjust to right or left or right to make the photo looks expanding like this, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to undo the previous steps. So I'm going to just make the person taller just like this. So that's pretty easy. You can click on the check icon after that, and that's it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.